Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw from Kickstarter video project funding, full guide step by step clearly. To withdraw from a Kickstarter video project funding, begin by logging into your Kickstarter account. Navigate to the Projects tab at the top of your dashboard. Find the project from which you wish to withdraw your backing. Click on the project title to open the project page. Scroll down to find the Back This Project button. Click on this button to proceed to your backing options. In the backing options, locate the section that displays your current pledge amount. Look for the Manage Your Pledge link and click on it. You will now see a summary of your pledge details. At the bottom of this summary, find the Edit Pledge button. Click on Edit Pledge, which will take you to a new page with your pledge options. On this page, look for the option to Cancel Pledge. Click the Cancel Pledge link to initiate the withdrawal process. A confirmation prompt will appear asking you to confirm your decision. Review the information and click Yes, Cancel My Pledge to finalize your withdrawal. Once completed, you will receive a confirmation email regarding the cancellation. Your funds will not be released to the project creator. You can check your funding history in your account section for confirmation. If you experience any issues, consider reaching out to Kickstarter support for assistance. You have successfully withdrawn your funding from the Kickstarter project. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.